Hey guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, I am Rizza and this is your channel for productive and sustainable lifestyle. So if you are into productivity, sustainability, and skincare, I upload videos every week, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you'll know when a new video is up. Yes, new hair and new background. If you are curious who did my hair, I'll link it up here and down below. I started to feel like I am so consumed by social media right now. Yung kapag bored ako, kailangan ko mag-scroll ng Facebook or ng Instagram. And ang tendency nun is I am not really present in the moment with my friends and with my families and with my loved ones or with my team. Today's video is about my social media detox for 7 days. So this is the day after I did the challenge, and the reason why I did the social media detox challenge is because number one, I wanted to give my undivided attention to my loved ones this season. Second is I want to celebrate mindful holidays with the people I love and the people dearest to me. Number three is because of productivity. I have still so much on my plate before 2019 ends, and I just want to take them off one by one before 2020 starts. Next reason is I just really want to stay off my phone. I wanted to use the vacation to really slow down and rest. And as you would already know, I am a self-confessed workaholic. I'm not really proud of that. But right now, I am trying to slow down and give myself a favor and rest. So I set rules for myself. I am deleting apps on my phone. And ang mga apps na i-delete ko is my YouTube app kasi napapansin ko na doon din ako madalas matagal. And then I will also be deleting my YouTube studio kung saan napupunta yung mga comments, likes, replies, and stuff. Pages manager, so wala akong marireceive na messages from pages ng Lana, ng Lekat. Because I have a dedicated team who answers messages sa page. So I want to delete that and have my team take care of it. Is Facebook, Instagram. I also turned off my notifications just so wala akong makita sa phone ko and hindi rin ako distracted every single time may tutunog. So yeah, yun yung mga apps na dinelete ko. I am keeping the Gmail app because of course that's how I communicate with my team. Also Messenger kasi marami din akong meetings, video calls for that. And that's also how I communicate ng mas mabilis with Lana and Lekat. I also kept iBooks because I know it will help me read more. Blinkist is also an app I recommended before, which I'll link up here and down below, just so I can use it whenever I drive or bank errands and stuff. Of course, Calm, my meditation app. Forest, Google Keep. Of course, that's so important. I can't live without my Google Keep. And of course, my bank apps for office and business. And then I also set rules for myself na twice a day lang ako pwede mag-check ng emails. Isa sa umaga and isa sa gabi. I made an alarm for that. Kasi tendency, kapag wala akong Facebook or Instagram, I tend to check on my email so much. Like more than 10 times a day, I think. The rules depends on you, of course. Depends on your lifestyle, what works and what's not. But this is just the rules I set for myself. And it's day 1 of the social media detox. It's quite easy today kasi celebration ni Josh. And hindi ako masyadong nahirapan kasi busy. So, in the morning, napansin ko na mas okay kasi I don't look at my phone and I don't look at social media agad. What I did was I read. I'm currently reading a book called Finish What You Start. Napansin ko rin na during mga conversations na lahat ng mga kasama ko nakatingin sa phone, I found myself, still fiddling on my phone, pero mas productive na. So I was checking on work stuff. So that's email. And mas okay yung conversations. Mas nakakapakinig ako sa mga stories and stuff. And I was really very productive today. been trying to organize the kitchen, and so far, this is me. Clear ko lang lahat ng mga nandito, then nilagay ko dito. Then, inside this bag is what I've decluttered so far. Ito yung mga hindi na nagagamit na mga spices, mga matigas na, mga basura, stuff that doesn't work. So, yeah. Bye-bye. Hey guys, it's almost the end of day 3 for social media detox. I wasn't able to vlog that much on day 2 kasi super busy dahil Christmas party ng Lekat and Lana from 12 noon was the first batch, which is Lekat 12 to 6 p.m. and then Lana's Christmas party was from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. So it was really fun. Day 2 was not difficult because I was busy, but I was catching myself picking up my phone kapag kunwari may mga times na hawak na rin ng iba yung phones nila. I got tempted to scroll and scroll mindlessly. Good thing I don't have Facebook or Messenger or Instagram. So what I did was I cleared up all my emails. But don't get me wrong, the Christmas party was really fun. And today is the 3rd day. It's around 8:30 p.m. right now. And nag-declutter lang ako ng closet ko and naglinis ng kitchen. So it's really... Today is easy then. Kasi I kept myself busy. I find myself in control of my mornings and I'm more present. Mas nag-create ako ng conversations with people and with family and friends and employees, and yun. Let's see how it goes till the end of the week.
For all our years to come, you'll be my Christmas tree.
Vlogmas! Merry Christmas, Papi!
Merry Christmas!
Love you! Good morning! I am on my way to the office, but I just have to drop off all the clothes na na-declutter ko sa bahay ng parents ko kasi pupunta sila ng Bicol. Doon kami usually nagdo-donate ng mga damit. So, there.
Ito yung plato. May pagkita.
So there you go. That's my experience for not having social media for a week. Just to wrap it up, I think yung advantages niya is number 1, I am reading more. Second is I feel like I am more in control of my mornings. Third is I was able to be very mindful of my conversations with other people, with my friends and loved ones. I feel like I am really in the present or in the moment kapag kausap ko sila, which is really good. Kumbaga, hindi divided yung attention ko kapag kunwari may kinikwento sila or nagpo-phone ako. My family knows this very much, na kapag kunwari may kinikwento sila and nasa phone ako, they can't talk to me because probably I won't really hear them. Without social media, I was really present and I was able to talk to them. And you know what? My phone really has a longer battery life. Pero I realized I also missed my online friends. Talking to them as well, especially greeting them during the holidays and Christmas and stuff. Na-miss ko din talaga siya. To be really honest, to be completely honest with you, I missed it. And minsan, I also catch myself looking at Joshua's phone kapag tumitingin siya ng Facebook feeds. Well, of course, nagpapaalam naman ako. But I realized I can live without Facebook on my phone. So I would probably keep it on my iPad or access it sa desktop. Probably. But I might just turn off the notifications kasi sobrang OC ko kapag may mga red sa phone ko ng notifications na hindi ko pa nababasa. I must read it. So papalitan ko na lang siguro yung settings na hindi na ako ino-notify every single time. Instagram, probably. I might re-download Instagram kasi that's also where I communicate with some of you guys, and it's just really nice to talk to you. I miss talking to you, and I had fun with this challenge. At least I made it. So if you are into videos like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. And let me know in the comments down below kung gagawin nyo rin ba. What are the rules you are setting for yourself for your social media detox? Let me know then, or message me, DM me on Instagram or YouTube if it worked or what happened. Ano ba yung na-miss nyo? Ano ba yung positive na nangyari sa buhay nyo because of the social media detox? And I would love to hear all of that. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!